In this video, I'm going to talk about the use of a camera versus the smartphone to create content online. I'm not going to go much deeper into the quality difference in these cameras and smartphones. I'll talk about the quality difference in a surface level, and then I'll talk about why camera is not an essential thing for creating content online. So first of all, let's talk about the quality difference between the cameras and smartphones. So now if we talk about the sensor, obviously cameras are having a higher sensor size, so they can capture so much light and so much details into that. So these cameras can capture high quality photos and videos compared to a smartphone. On the other hand, smartphones are having a smaller sensor size, so it can capture only a small amount of light. So we are having a less video quality than a professional camera. This is not much obvious in the daylight conditions, but when you go to night light conditions, for example, I'm shooting this video using my smartphone and I'm shooting only in daylight conditions because I have a good light source, like I have a natural light source, and I am also using some lights, but daylight is much better for smartphone videos. If I start recording this video using my phone in night time, I'll be having this grainy video. So it is obvious that professional cameras has a higher video quality. Now there is a difference between the quality that we view as video creators and what viewers see as video quality. How most people view these videos online are from using their smartphones and laptops. And most of these smartphones and laptops are having 1080p displays. So regardless of a video camera or a smartphone, if you shoot it in 4K, still most people are viewing this in 1080p resolution. So shooting these videos in extremely high quality doesn't make much of a difference because people are viewing it in small displays. So this video quality is not much visible when it comes to the output of the video. Not only that, what most people view as a higher quality is bokeh effect in background. If I use a professional camera to record this video, I'll be having this bokeh effect in my background. Now this bokeh effect is the blurring of this background. These professional cameras have a higher sensor size and a larger lens. So when we focus on some object, these cameras are able to focus that object and blur out the background. This works in smartphones too. If we just focus on something really close by, smartphone can focus that and blur out the background. But when it comes to something larger like a human, like I am sitting in front of my smartphone right now, but this won't blur out the background because this sensor size and the lens size of my smartphone is really low. But I can achieve that bokeh effect by using AI. I can just use my editing software to create this bokeh effect around me. Some smartphones are equipped with these features in their softwares, so they are able to create this bokeh effect even without a larger sensor and a larger lens. So we can create that illusion of a higher quality camera using these software features that are already available within these smartphones. And also when it comes to the use of software side of these smartphone cameras are having really old hardware. For example, some phones are having 8-9 years old camera modules. But these smartphones produce higher quality videos and audio using these software features. So now most people are saying that AI will destroy the world and all, but AI is the reason that smartphone cameras are having this higher quality video and photos in them with this 8-9-year-old hardware in them. Smartphone is using AI to enhance our videos. So we have no choice. We already have AI. When you are creating videos, the quality doesn't only rely on the video quality, it's more about the storytelling, the creativity, the editing of the videos. I created this cinematic video using my smartphone and this gimbal. And I created these cool looking shots using my smartphone. But if I use a higher quality camera and created some crappy shots using them, people will not watch it, right? It will be a disaster. These videos won't look good if I don't have much creativity in creating these videos. And also when it comes to storytelling, we have to create a video with an engaging content to engage the viewers, otherwise people won't watch it. And if you reach the highest quality in everything, if you don't have an engaging story in our videos, people really don't watch these videos. So we have to make sure that we are getting a good script for our videos. And especially in these times where people are addicted to these short videos on Instagram, TikTok, the video should be really engaging for the viewer to watch these videos. You can use the power of editing to make your videos more engaging. You can check out this video from Think Media in which they are using a lower quality camera to capture a video, one of their usual YouTube videos, and post on YouTube, but no one notices that they are using a lower quality camera for their videos. So this proves that people really don't care much about the video quality. About 2-3 years back, I used to create videos for one of my channels using this smartphone. Even now I'm using a smartphone because I don't have money to buy a camera. That's anyways. This is an iPhone 5s and this is having a very low video quality. I used to create these videos and for about a year I didn't get much engagement on my videos. I really didn't know much about this video creation back then, but I used to create videos using that smartphone and I consistently uploaded videos to YouTube for about a year and then it started to take off. So this proves that people really don't care much about the camera quality of our videos. What they really care about is the content, editing and sounds and these different things. So now you might be in the comment section asking about what's the point of this video then. The point of this video is you really don't need to buy a professional camera to start creating content online. If you really need to create content, then the smartphone that you're already having is enough for that. I mean, I created content using this shitty smartphone for about 2 years and that channel took off. I left that channel, I just left it and abandoned it and I was stupid back then. If you really want to start creating this content, you don't have to wait till you're getting a professional camera. You can start it with your smartphone. Just start with the smartphone and try to use these different AI tools to enhance the audio and these different video elements. You can achieve a higher video quality using those tools. If you're still saying that you really don't have a higher quality camera to start creating content online, you're just giving an excuse. So if you like this video, subscribe.